Hello and welcome. I am going to be making my favorite frosting recipe. I got this from a lady that did cake decorating. I've been using it since the year 2002. It calls for rum and butter flavoring, salt, vanilla, and Crisco butter flavoring. It's very simple to put together. This is a 32-ounce bag. You will need 2 bags for a full recipe. It was so cold in Michigan today. Just want a cup of Crisco. I like to use the butter flavor. It just gives it a good. You wouldn't think that the frosting would taste good with that in it, but that is what makes it so good. Take a cup of water. I don't fill it all the way up because I need room for the flavorings. Gonna want to add in a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of rum. Actually, that's a tablespoon of rum, excuse me. A teaspoon of butter flavoring. And a teaspoon of vanilla. The vanilla I use is homemade. It has vanilla beans in there, and I get little specks of vanilla, of the vanilla bean, in whenever I use it. So I just wanted to show that. You can see them in there. Now I'm just going to dump a half, I just need a half a cup for the half a batch that I need for today. So if you make a full batch, you'll need 2 bags of powdered sugar. Then you just want to keep going back and forth until you get the consistency that you are looking for. I will put the full recipe in the description below. This frosting will freeze really well too. So if you make too much, don't worry. You can throw it in the freezer and use it later. And that is perfect, just how I need it for the cookies. I'm also going to need some for Christmas Eve, so I'm going to save what I don't use today in the refrigerator for the cupcakes. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos that I do.